Here in step 8 of our SEO copywriting video series, we're going to add the excerpt. Now, an excerpt is just a little box of text. Let me show you down here. You can move it around, put it at the top, put it at the bottom of your control panel here, it doesn't matter. For this website, it's on my real estate website, it's down here. And others, I think I have it at the top. So what we're able to do here is create this tiny little summary. Now, typically, I will use part of the intro for the excerpt or part of the meta description. I keep this one shorter. One of the reasons why I keep it shorter is because I use Zapier, and Zapier has a formula that says if I post a blog on WordPress, then post it on Facebook, and the meta description is too long, and so, or on Twitter, post on Twitter. The meta description now, the way Google has added the characters, it becomes too long for Twitter. So I like the excerpt to be shorter for that if I'm going to use it for those purposes. Now, if you take a look at our home page on my real estate website, which is my brew, you can also see the excerpt shows up here under the blog posts. Those are being fed by the excerpt. So if you see a blank, I didn't put an excerpt in there. I need to do that. So that's another reason why we use the excerpts, is because of however our theme populates where that excerpt shows up. If you were to do a search, let me go to ballenvegas.com space, and let me do a search for Summerlin. That's where I live in my neighborhood. Now my website's going to pull up all of these lists. Well, if I did not put anything in the, if I have no text on the page, or this one might be fed by the first paragraph or by the excerpt, depending on how the theme is set up, then it turns out blank, and we don't want those blanks to be there. So that's the idea of why we do those types of things. So the excerpt, if you think about it like if I were to tweet this, what would I want people to say about the article? You can use your intro here. A nice short intro is perfect. Or you could write a custom excerpt that sounds better, that's fine too, but if it's provided here, we paste that in there. And that is all there is to in posting your excerpts when you're doing your SEO, copywriting.